Well, they have their love is in the air. Well, these are cute, huh? Well, let's see. Have little straws. These are cute. They have gifts on. What are these? Uh, oh, okay. Just a strand, what you could decorate with. Okay. Those are cute. And they have all of these up. This is cute. Okay, look at this one. That's cute, huh? I like this one so much. I think this one is cute. I already have something like this, but this one is cute right there. Clearance at Dollar Tree, 50% off. Boy, they have all their candy. I just walked in and it seemed like the store got super duper duper busy. All right, for you DIYers. Okay, I call myself being one too. But yes, they're fully stocked at this present moment. All right, so I made it back. These are the things that I end up picking up from Dollar Tree. I did get some croutons. I did go ahead and pick up some soup. I have some Goya red beans. Okay, I did pick up the can of soup because I'm like, these are low in calories and that would just help me cut calories. So I did pick up that steak seasoning. I did pick up a can of cream of chicken. So I also end up picking up these yolk-free egg noodles just for a quick pasta or soup. Here are some more household items that we needed, which is a TP. I wanted to try this new fabric softener by Suavitel. Well, it's new to me. And I did pick up some mouthwash, two of them to be exact, by Lavaris. I did get some Palmolive soap, some Trident cinnamon gum, and I did get some soap detergent and toothpaste. Hey everybody, so I hope that you enjoyed the little walkthrough. Like, I was so excited when I went into a Dollar Tree. Yes. And as soon as I walked in there was barely anyone in the store. But as a few minutes went on, next thing you know, the store got extremely crowded. I was like, yes. So it was about to be New Year's. In fact, it was New Year's Eve, and everybody was scrambling around trying to get their last minute things. But I so happened to go in there at the right time, and I was so excited by that. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a variety of things here. Go ahead, binge watch so that you will get a familiarity with me and my personality. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead, but most definitely give me a thumbs up. I will highly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. When I go shopping, I like to do everything affordable. Okay, so we're going to start off with this Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and get into it. This will be my first haul for the 23 new year. I hope that you're doing beautifully well, and I hope that you're off to a good start so far for this 2023 new year. Okay, because I'm excited. I just want my channel to keep growing, and yeah, so I wanted to share this haul with you. Everything that I do here is affordable, so let's go ahead and start off with none other than Dollar Tree. See that beautiful pink right there? So let's look at it. Okay, so now when I went in there, I did get these 2 items. Matter of fact, I got 3 items. I have 3 items because they were on clearance, 50% off. So $1.25, half of that. Okay, so these will come in handy. The only thing I'm going to do is put them away. Okay, yes, I'm going to put them away. So I thought that these would come in handy, and I did get this one. So you can just paint it. I think I would just paint this one white. Just keep it simple, okay? So yeah, that's, you know what's coming? Love will be soon in the air. So I said, why not? Okay, look at this. Isn't this so pretty? Like, it is so absolutely cute. Yes, and I love this color so much. Like, oh, it's so cute. And then I had to follow up with this one, and look at all of the beautiful sparkle that's on it, and it says be mine. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna find a place for this, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put them somewhere. Okay, either up in my beauty room or back here, it doesn't matter. So I end up getting those things, and look at these are so cute. These are so stinking cute. Look at this, right? You can make you a cute little, maybe a smoothie, because maybe you want to just go ahead and kick your healthier eating habits off. Okay, you want to just, focus on that, and maybe you just want you some cute little straws for the month of February. Look at that. Those are so cute. Hot pink, okay, red and yellow. And speaking of, okay, I had an extra soup here, which you saw because I did a voiceover. I got this cute pink scrunchie right here, and it is in the mauve color. And I picked up these here. These are so cute. Look at those, right? Yes. I also end up picking up some hearts right here with the little diamonds on there. These are so cute. Gemstones by Crafter Square. You get 32 pieces. Okay. And I did get these LA Colored 12 eyeshadow. Okay. Yes, these are so cute. So I end up getting nude. I'm just going to play around with these and see how they work. They're matte. Okay. And the color is Glamorous. And it is C68681, and the other one is C68680. So yes, these are matte colors, and you know that LA Colors, these are cruelty free. So yes, I'm gonna try those out. I did pick up some more of these because I have a DIY that I want to bring forth. So it may be in another video, not necessarily this haul, but these are the things that I'm going to be working with. And look how cute this is. You can fill this up with gumballs, and it's that pink acrylic. So I'm going to do something with these. And I also have this pretty pink. Oh my goodness, what color? Does it even have a color on here? It just says craft fabric. 18 by 21, okay, 45.72 centimeters. So, and it is 100% cotton, but there is no color. But this is such a beautiful color there. Okay, and I end up getting two, and then like I showed these, I have these here. So that has been my Dollar Tree haul. So I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. I want to thank you so very much for watching this video. Make sure that you check my cards. Check down in the description box. And if it is a video that relates to this video, it's going to be there. So I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free, and you're doing the things that you love to do. Come back and visit me again real soon.